sun, but she's not blind. She knows the dark walks close behind. Smiles don't mean she never cries, they mean she lets the moment rise. She laughs not cause she doesn't care, but cause she knows she'll still be there. Truth flows through her, sharp and kind. Joy's not denial, it's a choice of mine. Acceptance isn't closing your eyes, it's standing still while feelings pass by. The sun says life is worth the pain. Fire says change what hurts again. Brain says slow down, feel, then heal. Together that's what makes us real. The care it means. Fire burns when lines are crossed, when silence hides the cost. She's not evil, she's alarm, protecting truth from quiet harm. No means no, she draws the line, not to hurt but to define. Care too tight, you start to choke. Care too loose, hearts break in smoke. Anger's not the enemy, it's a message asking honestly. And the sun says life is worth the pain. Fire says change what hurts again. Brain says slow down, feel, then heal. Together that's what makes us real. Where terror means rain falls soft, rain falls slow. Carries truths we're scared to know. Sad, anxious, shy, ashamed, still worthy even when unnamed. Breathe it out, feel your chest. Movement, water, gentle rest. She doesn't rush the pain away, she teaches how to stay. You don't heal by feeling nothing, you don't grow by being strong. You heal by letting all three sing in the same damn song. Sunlight's why we stay.